Shooter, time starts now.
Where's my pin?
Right between the rocks. Impact. 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 Impact.
You?
We're out here at the Grand Slam Championship, NRL Hunter, and pretty good start this morning. Everybody was stuck in carts. We were in an air-conditioned truck out of the dust the whole way up here, so we're already winning.
We did have a good start there.
We had a
I
good
think
start.
every bit of air conditioning we get this weekend we're gonna enjoy.
Yeah, it's
Pretty
good.
fun. Good start so far.
And they made power.
Impact. Impact. Number 3. Impact. Impact. There you go, Tyler. Good run.
Hey, I'm Scott Peterson, Army Marksmanship Unit. Out here in Grand Junction, Colorado, the NRL Grand Slam. It's going pretty well. First stage is a little rough. It helps to use the aiming stakes they give you out there to find the targets. But other than that, I'm real confident in my gun. Haven't had much wind, so I'm still real confident in my wind calls. And it's picking up, so doing all right, clean the last 2 stages, so hopefully I can keep that going.
I'm Tyler Payne, also with the Army Marksmanship Unit, shooting open light. And same thing, been having fairly good stages, dropped a couple points that I shouldn't have, but we'll figure it out. We got another 16 stages to go, so we got time. Impact, target 2. Impact, change position.
That work?
Yes, sir. Target 2. Impact.
You ready?
My name's Hunter Hicks. I'm from Prineville, Oregon, just east of Bend. Today, here at the NRL Grand Slam, I'm running Remington 700 with a Oregon Mountain Rifle 6.5 Creed carbon fiber barrel upgrade. My Mark 5 Leopold in a Manor stock. We're right at 12 pounds for the open light. And that's with the Atlas long bipod.
Impact, target 2. Impact, change position. Impact, target 2.
My name's Cody Hartstock out of Arizona. We're here in Cameo for the NRL Hunter Grand Slam match. I'm shooting a 7 Psalm built by Owens Armory with a Night Force NX8 scope on it, and it's been a blast. It's running great, so we'll see how it all works.
Impact, impact.
Woo!
Nice stage.
Name's Marc Bean from Queen Creek, Arizona, just outside of Phoenix. Shooting a custom 6.5 Creedmoor and a Remington, Bartline, Macmillan stuff. Out here hammering.
shoot. Thanks for ROing, man.
This is Seth Howard. We're here at the NRL Hunter finale in Grand Junction, Colorado, Cameo Shooting Complex. Right now, we're in the middle of day one shooting. It's pretty kick-ass conditions, pretty kick-ass range, like everything's going okay. It'd be better if I'd hit more targets, but you can't win them all if you don't hit them. So, other than that, no, this is awesome format. Match is sweet.
Target 2. Impact.
Hey guys, Mike Lilly from Eatonville, Washington, out here shooting the 2021 NRL Hunter Grand Slam, the championship. It's going pretty well. Venue's amazing. Weather's been really great. Everything's going pretty good. Shooting pretty decent. Shooting heavy open this time. Using the MDT XRS and then the proof barrel and Lone Peak action that I've been using all season. It's been a change from shooting light, but I'm enjoying it a lot and having a great time. You guys should be out here.
Impact. Impact. Impact.
Day 2 here at the Hunter Challenge finale. We're just getting started, a little windier than yesterday. Yesterday was pretty fun. Did okay, kind of not as good as I'd like to, but you know, seems like it was a tough day for everybody. Smoky conditions, washing out a lot of the targets. Looks like the smoke's clearing up a little bit with some wind. Man, it's fun getting off to a good start, and hopefully we can finish strong.
Impact. Impact. Impact.
My name is Chris Gittings. I'm from Helena, Montana, and just shot stage 7, which was 4 position, 1 antelope. It was good. It's a series of rocks, and so you've got to kind of just lay down and try to find a good spot. Wind is really tricky today. It's up today. So far the match has been awesome. I love this match and I love the format. Yesterday was a good day. Winds were a little less, but tricky. So yeah, come on out. This is a great time.
Impact. Wait for direction change. Impact. Wait for direction change.
Hey guys, my name is Andy Reinhardt. I'm out of Franktown, Colorado. We're over here in Grand Junction at the NRL Hunter finale Grand Slam. We're currently on stage 6, just got done shooting the mover, and I am shooting an XLR Envy Pro chassis, impact action, proof research barrel, Hawkins rings, and M7 Steiner optic. My trigger is a Trigger Tech Diamond, so everything's running flawlessly. Got the binos, tripod, all the essential gear. We're ready to rock, man. Come on out.
Yeah, once you get up on the gun, we'll wait for it to change direction where you have a full pass. Impact. We'll wait for direction change. Impact. Wait for it to change. Impact. Impact. Unload, show clear.
Alright. Collin Fossen from Laramie, Wyoming. Been having fun down here. I think Scott put together a really fun course of fire. I was able to shoot this last year and it was a blast. I said I wasn't going to miss it this year, so I was really looking forward to being able to
qualify and come to this because it's been a heck of a time. Had fun.